y'all, happy Sunday. I am up and out right now, heading to Food Line really quickly. I meant to grab some zucchini, 2 zucchini, so that I can make some banana zucchini muffins. So that's what I'm gonna do now. And then also Charles wants a variety pack of oatmeal. So like I said, just really quickly, that's what I'm gonna do. And I think I need some K-Pods because I'm gonna wanna enjoy coffee at home. Just seems like lately I haven't been hitting on, you know, making my Jolly coffee the right way or like good enough to my desire. So K-Pods will just be where it's at for today. So I'm running Food Line really quickly. I love the fact that it literally takes me less than 5 minutes to get there, no matter which way I go. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna go on in here and get. Totally almost forgot to drop this stuff off over here at the Goodwill. I almost literally went home and forgot that I needed to drop it off, and it's in my trunk. Okay, so it's dropped off. It's literally like right here in the middle. All right, so from Food Line, I originally went in for like the oatmeal, zucchini, and the Lord only knows really what else. So I end up coming out with that and more. I'll do a quick haul once I get home just to show you guys what I did pick up. And then I'm gonna go on about my merry little Sunday and get back to doing my schoolwork that is due tomorrow. It's just mainly questions, but my whole thing is like, if you're not showing us how to do it, then I don't know necessarily like what I'm doing. So with this math class right here, I'm doing like volume of surface area, but you know, it's really tricky. So yeah. All right, so I got some farmhouse potato bread. Y'all know it's Sunday worship, y'all. All right, so I picked up some lemon juice. I also picked up 2 each of these juicy juices in apple, grape, and fruit punch. Both of those are for the kids. Not only did I pick up juices for the kids, I got them the dirt cake, Lunchable little snack packs as well. I also got 3 of the watermelon lemonades. These are the bomb. If you find these in your local Food Line, grab them. I also picked up some apple juice and some potato farmhouse bread. Zucchini, I had to grab this pack because that was all they had. So it is what it is. I'll find a good way to put the rest to use. I got the raw pumpkin kernels to make something with. I also picked up the pumpkin spice K-Pods, as well as the variety pack of K-Pods that have the original blend, French vanilla, dark roast, and the breakfast blend. That way I am well prepared. I also went ahead and got the variety pack of the instant oatmeal, the Paw Patrol fruit snacks, the crispy rice to do like some type of Halloween treat with, the Zapp's potato chips voodoo style. I also picked up the maple sausage, as well as the biscuit sausage by Jimmy Dean. And I also got the bacon, egg, and cheese croissant, 8 count, right here. These were $12 to be exact. Ridiculous. The other ones were $7. I picked up some boneless chicken bites in buffalo style. Charles wanted these so that he can dip his in blue ranch, as well as some air fried chicken tenders because I want to do my own Raisin Cane sauce today. I also got some of the little chicken breast small cuts. I could use this to do Chick-fil-A nuggets, as well as some chicken tenders. I can make them myself and use that sauce. Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna get ready to make a copycat Raisin Cane's sauce. I found it on Pinterest, so I am gonna try it because I'm going to air fry some chicken tenders and dip that in. And I'm also gonna make banana zucchini muffins so that I have something for breakfast this week. So I have all my measuring spoons out that I will need just in case. I have a bowl, I have a spatula to mix stuff up. You're gonna need the Worcestershire sauce, black pepper, mayonnaise, ketchup, and garlic salt for the copycat Raising Cane's recipe. First, you're gonna start off by putting mayonnaise in, and then you're gonna add in ketchup. You will then add in the Worcestershire sauce, and then you will add in the garlic salt, and you'll also add in the pepper. Go ahead and mix all that up together and give it a taste. All right, y'all, so this is what it looks like. Trying my best to see if I need to break that mayonnaise up anymore, but anyways, I'm gonna give it a taste test. Tastes just like it. All right, y'all, we're gonna get ready to make the banana zucchini bread muffins. These are so delicious, and I just had to share the recipe with you. Okay, so I mashed up the bananas, added in the sugar. This has already been dried off. I also have 2 cups of flour in here, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, 1 cup of vegetable oil. All right, add in 2 teaspoons of vanilla. All right, add in your 2 eggs. All right, so I let the eggs sit out at room temperature. I'm just gonna mix everything up and get ready to sift in our dry ingredients. All right, so I got my sifter. I'm just gonna sift a little bit in at a time. All right, here's the last of the mixture. Mix it all up, and then I'm gonna add in that zucchini. All right, got the oven on 350, ready and prepped. Got my cupcake liners lined up in the hole. All right, now I'm gonna add in this zucchini, mix this all up. I'm gonna fill these up 1/3 of the way, just using a measuring cup. All right, so they're filled 1/3 cup of the way. I'm gonna bake these on 350 for 24 minutes. All right, so I got the 3 pound of the hamburger meat. I'm gonna use this for tonight's dinner for tacos, spaghetti, and sloppy joe, but I can't break this apart and then refreeze it because I've already put it in the freezer and pulled it out this morning. So I'm just gonna go ahead and make those 3 meals, and that way tomorrow when we come home, it can either be sloppy joe or spaghetti for dinner, and I don't have to cook anything. All right, sloppy joe mix, noodles, spaghetti sauce. Okay, 3 meals, tomato, 1 hamburger, sloppy joe, taco meat, spaghetti. After meal prepping for the week, I did not bring lunch today, so here I am. Okay, so let me be transparent with y'all, and I love that word, so you're gonna hear this throughout all of my vlogs. This morning when I woke up, I did not make anything. Instead of making my lunch like I was supposed to, ooh, look at that river. Lord, that water looked nasty, but instead of making my lunch today, I ended up sitting down to eat breakfast and making a pumpkin spice coffee at home. So just, you know, blame it on that. But anyways, I just grabbed a 6-piece with some sweet and sour sauce, fries, and a cheeseburger, and a Dr. Pepper and ice coffee. Today has been the roughest day ever, right? Other than the first day of school. I'm working by myself today. And, you know, my whole thing is, I just have the biggest pet peeve when it comes to working with someone. If I'm working with you and you call out, don't ask me, am I mad? Don't ask me, you know, like how things are going. Just enjoy your day off, because at the end of the day, when my day comes that I need off, I am not asking anyone, how is the day going? I'm not asking who showed up, who didn't. That's my day off. But I feel like as the main teachers, the lead teachers, they feel the need to ask those things, and I get it. But at the same time, like, I'm already in here by myself. I'm already like doing it, you know, with just me. So yeah, I gave my kids to the specials teacher, and I literally was like, look, I'm going to lunch. I will not be joining you all. So I'm gonna go back in and get ready to finish eating. I have about 20 minutes to spare before I have to get them back, and then get them packed up and ready to go home. Well, not go home, but they'll go to Genius Hour. So Genius Hour happens at our school every day. It's a different day for each grade level. Kindergarten is on Monday. First grade Tuesday. Wednesday is second grade. Thursday is third grade. And then Friday is 4th grade. So, oh, I had to vent. Y'all, when I say I'm going home to my couch, and no, I'm not cooking dinner. I cooked 3 meals yesterday. So I cooked sloppy joe, spaghetti, and tacos using that 3-pound hamburger meat. At this moment, I am going out the door to run home and grab Cam, and then of course I have to run back to grab Sky at 4 o'clock. So she does Girls on the Run. And I'll honestly be glad when it's over, because I don't like coming back to work. I like, you know, going home at my 3 o'clock time and staying home. My grass needs to be cut. It honestly does. And I just don't feel like it today. I'm not in the mood for anything. I have homework that's due tonight. I'm gonna try to get that done, you know, the best that I can. And I'm just gonna call it a night. Sloppy joes can be for dinner. All I gotta do is heat it up. I think I'm just overall overworked, and I'm at the point where I'd rather be a stripper than go to work every day. This year is the worst, by far the worst. And I've never felt this way. But, alright y'all, for lunch today I'm making this is a sandwich. So I have ham, mayonnaise, lettuce, cheese. This is Kobe Jack cheese. I'm ready to cut my tomato and put that on there, and then add salt and pepper really quick. I am taking a bag of the Zapp's potato chips. This is the New Orleans kettle style voodoo. These are definitely a hit with me. Also in my bag, I have the John Boy and Billy watermelon lemonade. Y'all, if y'all Food Line sell it, grab it. It's only $1. It is really good. That's honestly my favorite flavor. So there's my chips in my bag. Got a thing of fruit snacks. Yeah, I'm like one of the kids. And then Pringles, just in case I need a snack this morning. And I have one of my water drink mix pouches and just a water. Went ahead and made me a pumpkin spice coffee this morning using pumpkin spice creamer and pumpkin spice whipped cream. All right, here's the final outcome of my sandwich. I'm gonna go ahead and put this together and stick it in a bag. And there's my lunch. I'm gonna get ready to walk out the door.